think about, how do we really see ourselves getting out of the water, and what do we see ourselves doing? What does the water look like around us? Am I at the coast? Am I have to boat on a river? Do I boat on a lake, a big lake, a little lake? Can I go out during the week, or am I going out on a Saturday afternoon? Am I, like my wife and I, we like just our family. My brother wants to invite everybody he's ever met out on the boat with them and put 20 people on. And if you start with that and think about, what does 80% of my boating look like? I think that's a great place to start to get you down the right path.